Hey guys, what up? Okay, it's your boy Mr. Miles here, and you're most welcome back again to my YouTube channel. Yeah, if you're new to this channel, hey man, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss most of my videos. And also another thing is that you can leave a like and comment if you love the video. So today's stuff, it's gonna be so easy, guys. If you're really looking for a way of making extra money for yourself, maybe you don't have real money to invest, this is the best video for you. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you and taking you through all the steps of how to make money in Bitcoin. Okay, so the first thing that you have to know is, what is Bitcoin? Bitcoin is just a form of exchange. It's just like money. This is Bitcoin. Is like it's cryptocurrency. Yes, it's just like money because you can sell Bitcoin, you can buy Bitcoin, you can receive Bitcoin, you can also send someone Bitcoin, and that person can convert all that to cash. So it's like Bitcoin is just cash. You have to understand that. And there's a lot more opportunities, guys, on Bitcoin. Let me be honest with you. There's a lot more opportunities on Bitcoin. And let me tell you, it's always very important, guys, to start saving money or start investing in Bitcoin. I'm going to be walking you through. If you don't have even money to invest, this video is very cool for you, how you can make extra money for yourself in trading Bitcoin. Okay, don't forget that in this channel we do make videos of how to be consistent in forex trading, because I'm really a forex trader and I'm really into forex trading, and I'm also trading Bitcoin at the moment because I love trading Bitcoin, and because I see there is a lot of more money in Bitcoin than even trading these currency pairs. So let's move on, guys. I'm going to be showing you there are many ways of how to make money in Bitcoin. There are three important ways, and I'm going to be walking you through all these ways. The first thing is you're going to be trading Bitcoin just like trading currencies. Okay, that means you need money to invest in it. Then you can buy and sell Bitcoin depending on the way it fluctuates. Okay, so in order for you to do this, you need to have an Exness account, because in Exness, the reason why I love Exness so much is you can trade Bitcoin even up to the weekend. Okay, so it gives you an additional advantage of trading from Monday up to Sunday. That's why if you're new, if you're looking for a good broker to start trading Bitcoin, just check the description, click on that link and open yourself a trading account with Exness, because I always trade Bitcoin from Monday up to Sunday. You can just WhatsApp me and tell me, hey Miles, I want to be part of your team. We can start trading Bitcoin together from Monday up to Sunday, and you can see the benefits and you can see how far we can move with the trading forex. Okay, so another thing is that you can even check on the pinned comment. I'll be leaving a pinned comment about the video of how I've been trading BTC, and I can show you it's really very profitable than even trading currency pairs. Okay, that's why I love trading BTC, and I'm so much addicted. To trading BTC. I'm sorry, guys. I do make videos at night because the noise is kind of small. Okay, so I do love making videos late in the night because there are so many kids playing around this place. So let me show you another example of how to make money in Bitcoin. Now, this is the most important thing of how to make money in Bitcoin, guys. You see, there are so many coins right now. Okay, there are so many coins like crypto. There are so many coins, cryptocurrencies. Like we have Shiba coin, we have Bitcoin, we have a lot of coins, guys, that you can use them and they can make you much money. We have also Dogecoin, and these are all coins. I'm going to be showing you how it's very important for you to start making money with this. Okay, you see, what I do always is I do use this yellow card wallet. I use a yellow card wallet. I also use a Binance wallet to make money in Bitcoin. So let me tell you how it works. These guys pay you 20%. Okay, so what you're gonna do is open yourself, check the description. If you don't have a Bitcoin wallet, check the description, open yourself a Bitcoin wallet. After opening yourself a Bitcoin wallet, you're gonna be moving with me. If you don't have money to invest, even if it is 5 USD, guys, stop keeping your money in the bank. Let me tell you the truth. Get your 5 USD, buy Bitcoin and stake the Bitcoin. Leave it the price, because let me tell you something. I've been buying like how can I say, like 3 months ago, I had to buy Bitcoin of something like 500 USD only, and I had to keep that money. I had to save it and increase to 40%. Just imagine increasing to 40% without me doing anything. I just kept the Bitcoin and increased. But if you keep your money in the bank, of course, you'll find that you will make nothing. You won't gain any profit. You understand? You won't gain any profit. So this is how you're gonna make money in Bitcoin. Open yourself a wallet Mainly, you can click on the link if you want to. You can just go and download the Binance wallet. Then after downloading, join the referral team, guys. You're gonna make money with it. Join the referral team. Get your link for referral link. Then you can refer your friend. Okay. When your friend is making transactions, you always get 20%. Just imagine getting 20% of what you don't know. So it's actually like free money. It's like free money, but we just have to get serious with it if you really want to make money. Let me tell you something, guys. If you want to grow and make money, the best platform that you can use is cryptocurrency right now. Because Bitcoin is massive. You can make a lot of money with Bitcoin. First of all, that I've told you is start buying your Bitcoins, okay? You have to know when to buy. If you don't know when to buy, you can just move with me. I'll tell you, hey, this week we are buying Bitcoin. You understand? If you want to be trading like real trading currency pairs, trading Bitcoin, or if you just want to be buying as like a stock in your Bitcoin wallet and save it for like maybe a period of time, then it's still fine. You'll get your profit percentage in that. And it's very easy to withdraw Bitcoin. You can even use Bitcoin nowadays to fund your accounts, your brokerage accounts, which becomes very easy for you to trade forex. Okay. So one thing you have to know is Bitcoin is the way to go, guys. You can make money trading Bitcoin, or you can make money referring people to open accounts with Bitcoin. You can also make money by buying and stocking Bitcoin. That is the best way of making money right now, because we have three sources of income there, and I'm doing all that. I refer people to open the accounts with Bitcoin and they pay me, of course. I trade Bitcoin. If you want to see the way I've been trading Bitcoin, check out the description, check out the pinned comment, you'll see how I've been trading Bitcoin. I also stake Bitcoin for like a month or like maybe 2 months. Just that's how it is, and at the end of that time, you'll withdraw your profits, and your account keeps on growing. You understand that? So Bitcoin is the way to go, guys. You can make money trading Bitcoin. You can make up to even like something like 500 USD in a week only trading Bitcoin or doing whatever I've told you, because 20% is really a lot of money for every transaction someone is doing. 20%, if someone is making a transaction of 1,000 USD in a week, not even one person, let's say many people are making a transaction of 1,000 USD, you're already getting some good money there. So what I can just tell you is, guys, start investing in cryptocurrencies. Start investing in these coins, man. If you really want to make money, start investing in them, because it looks like it's gonna be the future, because it's something because Bitcoin is just like money. So I'm thinking that it's gonna replace money, and you have to know about it. You have to learn how to use Bitcoin before it is too late. Start making money early when the opportunities is still open for you. That's why I'm telling you like this. Any opportunity you get, if you have any money, try saving up and buying your Bitcoins. When you buy your coins, it will keep on growing slowly by slowly, okay? Because Bitcoin is gonna rise again. No matter the fall, it's gonna rise again, okay? It's gonna rise again. So start buying Bitcoin right now and stocking your Bitcoin, because in a few years right now, you'll be having enough money for yourself. That is the only way if you want to be rich in the next 4 years or 5 years. Even if you invest only 100 USD and stock it, it's going to be powerful and it will help you so much. So guys, if you're new again to this channel, don't forget to subscribe. And in the next video, I'll be showing you step by step of how to open yourself a Bitcoin account if you're still very green about it. It's pretty very easy, guys. You can even just go and download the apps. You can choose to start with the yellow card, or you can click my link below the description. Open yourself a Bitcoin account, or a Bitcoin wallet, Then you can maybe message me if you need more of my help. I wish you all the best, guys. See you in the